Alright, this is going to be the instruction video of how to install the rear bumper reflector lights on between a 2008 and 2010 Subaru Impreza WRX or 5-door wagon Impreza GT. First of all, this product here is from ijdmtoy.com, and these are the rear bumper reflector lights, which has 3 wires, red, white, and black. You're gonna have to go to their website to print out an instruction manual on your wiring to install. What you're gonna need is wire strippers. You're gonna need male connectors and T-taps, electrical tape to wrap up the parts that are bare, and I use electric drill to take out the rear tail lens 10mm socket. Okay, I'm gonna be disconnecting the screw mounts for the tail lens. Unfortunately, I don't have a tripod to hold it down, so I'm gonna have to put it to the side. So this is actually where you're gonna take the bolts out on the tail lens. So let me go get a rag so that I won't scratch the side of the bumper when I lay down the lens itself. Okay, I just removed this Phillips screw that was holding this down right here in the corner to expose the wires. I don't want to go too far to the end right here, just in case if this is not the right wire, but according to the instruction it says green, black, and red. So if that's not the one, then if I do decide to change this harness, I could change it from here to here. So let's go get the T-taps and let's tap it up, and then we'll go to the next stage. Okay, now that I T-tapped the red wire, the green wire, and the black wire, let's go in the bottom and take out the old reflectors, and let's attach the new reflector bumper lights. And this screw right here, unfortunately, I wasn't really paying attention. I can't reattach that here to hold it down, so I'm just gonna leave it free. It shouldn't harm anything. So when you go under here, you're gonna hopefully you can't see, but maybe not. There's gonna be the 2 tabs there. Unfortunately, I can't really angle the camera to show you, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down and pop it out myself. So this is the old reflector. Alright, and let me get the new one right now. Okay, before I start anything, let me show you. I put the male connectors onto the reflector lights. What you're going to do is snake the wire through this hole, and then we're going to run it up here, and then we're going to connect it to the T-taps. Okay, one thing you might need is like a flexible wire to fish it down the bumper to retrieve the wires for the reflector lights. Unless you have skinny hands, or you know, you could reach in through the bottom to reach it out, then you could do that. Next is to connect the wires to the green, black, and red. Okay, I connected the white wire to green, which is the parking lights, the red wire to red, which is the stop lights, and black to black, which is the negative. I'm gonna set it up a little bit. I'm not gonna button it up yet, and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so here's the new reflector lights. I didn't take out the protective tape yet, but if I did everything right, when I put the parking lights on, that light should be on. Hey, I did it right. It's on. Okay, so let's angle this to where that we could see the lights. I don't know, let me go get a box. Let's get this box here. Okay, I'm gonna put the brake lights on. Cool, it works. How about this one? That one works too. I think it looks like a success. So this is how you install the rear bumper reflector lights on a 2008 to 2010 Subaru Impreza or WRX.